It's Monday morning. Gonna show you guys a trade here, trading options with a small account, basically a cash account. I'm gonna show you how I took around $650 here this morning and made $200 in profit trading call options on the overall SPY. I'm gonna show you the setups. I'm gonna show you all that fun stuff right here in this video. So make sure you stay tuned. All right, so you can see that I'm in this trade right now on the SPY 455 call options, looking for a push over 455 here on the SPY. You can see right here on the SPY right up there, the 455.78. So looking for a push over 455 right here, pushing right up there to 91 cents. My current average on this trade for the 455 calls, I paid 59 cents. 59 cents for these call options down here. Looking for a push over $1 right now for a 100% gain on these call options this morning. We just need the SPY push over 455. It's off to the races, my friends. So right now, just kind of watching, rallied up big this morning. It pulled back and then pushed right back up to that 455 level. So looking for that push over 455. Right now, the market is currently pushed up about 0.5% on the day. So looking for that move over 455. I feel like we can get that. I took some profit along the way. On the way up, I had 7 call options here and looking for a push over $1 now, where that green line is. This is the Interactive Brokers Trader Workstation. If you're wondering, there's a link down below, but looking for this thing to push over $1 now. Got a pretty good average here. You can see pretty much 0.59. This is the 5-minute chart we're looking at right now. You can see how the EMAs have just basically popped this thing right back up there. Got the green EMA on the Ripster Cloud. You can see this morning it was red to green. That was a pretty bullish indicator to get in there long. And that's exactly what I did. So getting a pullback right here. Might be looking to buy some more of these options, these 455 call options. Getting a big pullback here in the premium. Those options pulling back here. Pulled all the way back down to the 65 cents. So I ended up buying one more call option there at the 65 cent level, looking for this to bounce up here. If we can push over 455 here, I think we're going over $1. You can see already how quickly this popped back up from this 65 cent. Look at that jump from 65 cents back up to almost 90 cents in a matter of seconds right there. The options, you gotta love the action, baby. You gotta love the action. The VIX is selling off. Everything is looking good. 455 to push. So adding on this dip right here, you can see on the SPY, pulling back there on the 5-minute, on the 15-minute, looking a little bit better here. See if we can hold this level, this 454 level. Something I want to show you right here as well. This is the VIX that we're looking at right now. This is the volatility indicator, and you can see on the 15-minute chart, you know, these push back ups, but you can see overall it's red, right? Overall, it's downtrending. So that's giving me more confidence to stay long into the trade here through that push to over 455. Because even when it pushes up, you still have all this resistance, this overall downtrend. You haven't really like broken back out here. So that's something I'm always watching. I'm watching the VIX here when I'm trading the SPY, especially trading these options. I think we can get over 454.60. Might be able to get a push up to that 455 level again. Wow, look at that. Push over 455.60. Wowzers. Literally just said that. I just said push over 454.60. We push 455. You can see those call options pushing up there again, 85 cents. Looking for a push over $1 here for this push over 455. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It literally broke over 454.60 right there. It broke over that and then pushed 455. But there she goes. Looking for $1 on these call options now. Let's see if we can get it. Up to 95 cents. I'm going to take it right there, 95 cents. You see that push over 455 to a high there. The high was 455.11. So we pushed right over this resistance. The one thing I'm pointing out, guys, you can see got this little downtrend. So it's pretty clear to see if we break over that 455.60, well, there's a good chance we're going to test that 455, and it's exactly what we did. So those call options went up to a high of 95 cents. We've been buying pretty much down here like in the 60 cent area, selling up in that push up to the 455 and locking down some beautiful profit here. And you can see right here, locking in $233 in profit, just trading those 455 call options. Remember, these call options only cost me when I'm buying them. If I'm paying 65 cents, they're costing me $65. So I don't need a massive, huge account. I pretty much made $200 in profit trading 14 times in and out on those call options from 65 cents up to 95 cents and locking in that profit. And the thing is, like I said, it cost me $65. So if you do that 10 times, that's about $650. So let's say total, let's say I spent total today in my account $800 in cash to make $200 in profit. That's not bad at all. Not bad at all. So one thing that I really want to get across to you guys when trading these options is you don't need a massive account. You don't need a huge account. You can see these options this morning went from 60 cents up to 95 cents. Obviously, if the market went even higher, you'd get an even bigger move here. But just to give you guys a better idea that, you know, I'm not trading with a huge account here. I'm not having to trade, you know, with tons and tons of money to make money trading these options. So this morning, nice and easy, in and out, baby. Locking in the profit, showing you guys the trades. Right now, these, oh my gosh, look at, I'm pushing up there now, pushing up there above $1. So almost to $1 now on those call options. You can see the overall market moving up there to 455.20. Got the breakout like we're looking for. We locked in the profit, and now we can pretty much be done. I might sit around and wait, kind of see where we end up at the end of the day here, but definitely not going to just jump in right away just because this thing's, you know, going up. I want to obviously wait for a setup, and I think this really was the setup of the morning so far. So I don't need to go ahead and just chase anything that moves. So overall, beautiful setup here. We're looking for the breakout. We got the breakout, and that's exactly what we needed. You can see those options up to $1.05. So there it is. If you guys haven't already, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe button, all the buttons down below. I will talk to you guys later on.